Hey guys, this is Chris Blanks with Paragon Inspection. Today I've got the pleasure of inspecting an older historical home over in Columbus. It was built in the 1940s, and in looking at older homes, there's some different things to contend with you'll see in these houses, or that I see in these houses, that you may not see in a newer home. And sometimes they can bring up additional safety concerns. So in this older home here, you'll see that we have remnants of knob and tube wiring. You'll see the tubes actually going through the structure with the wiring coming through it. Here are some knobs supporting some wiring. And before starting this video, I did test this wiring, and it is under load. It is still hot. We also have an older fuse box up here. Those hadn't been in use in quite some while, and that's not necessarily to say that they're unsafe. But when you put all these things together, what it does tell me is that this should be better evaluated by an electrician. There are some shortcomings for sure. We have also found some live wiring here that is actually disconnected and still hot. So we would certainly ask for the electrician to evaluate those things. But in an older system with knob and tube wiring and the old fuse type configurations, we're definitely going to let an electrician look at this, recommend corrections, and just thought I'd share that with you guys. It's kind of an interesting house today. If it could be of service to you, give us a call at 888-400-2494. Thank you.